A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and fit and fine. I also hope that you watched the video carefully. Student, in today's class, I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, getting started with Microsoft Excel 2013. Chapter number 4, enhancing a presentation, is not a part of your syllabus. So leave the chapter number 4. In chapter number 5, we will learn about Excel. What is Excel? We know about what is Excel. Types of data in Excel. Entering data in a worksheet. Navigating a worksheet. Working with a worksheet. Autofill and flash fill. So let us start today's class. Open page number 87, chapter number 5, getting started with Microsoft Excel 2013, second paragraph. Spreadsheet software is widely used in offices and schools. Spreadsheet software is widely used in offices and schools. Spreadsheet software means a software which is in the form of rows and columns. A software which is in the form of rows and column. ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर जो रोज और कॉलम के फॉर्मेट्स में होते हैं, टैबुलर फॉर्म में होते हैं, उनको हम लोग स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर बोलते हैं. राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, लोटस 123, क्वाड्रो प्रो, ओपन ऑफिस कैल्क, etc. These are the example of spreadsheet software. In the second paragraph, it is a very popular software as it enables the user to perform calculation, plot charts, analyze the data in a very quick and efficient manner. Spreadsheet software is a very popular software because it provides so many options for easy calculation. It provides option to create a chart and analyze. It provides options to analyze the data in a very quick and efficient manner. Right? We can do calculation, we can make a chart, we can analyze data in a very easy manner in the spreadsheet software. Understood? Now, spreadsheet software is used in offices to store financial data and perform calculation to generate profit and loss, average sales, and so on. Spreadsheet software in the offices, spreadsheet software is used for storage, to store numeric data, to store data and perform calculation. In the same way, spreadsheet software is used in school to store marks of a student and calculate average marks, grade, and so on. Spreadsheet software is also used in schools for the maintaining record of the student, for the maintaining examination marks and fees record also. In short, we can say that spreadsheet software is used to store records, maintain data, and use for calculation. Right? Now, introduction to Excel 2013. Excel is a spreadsheet software that is used for storing, organizing, and manipulating data in rows and columns. I have already told you what is a spreadsheet software. So, Microsoft Excel is an example of spreadsheet software. A software which is in the form of rows and columns is known as spreadsheet software, and Microsoft Excel is an example of that type of software. In Excel, you can perform complex mathematical calculation on data. It also allows you to represent data pictorial in the form of charts for better understanding and analysis. In this chapter, we will learn about Excel 2013. In short, Excel is a electronic spreadsheet software which is used to perform calculation, which is used to creating charts, we can use to maintain data in an organized manner. Right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again, what is Excel? Excel is a electronic spreadsheet software which is used to perform complex calculations, creating chart, organizing data, maintain record in organized manner, and so on. Understood? Now open page number 88. Starting Excel. How you start Excel? To start Excel, follow the given step. What is the step to start Excel? Step 1. Type Excel in the search box next to the start button. Here start button, and next to the start button is the search box. Type Excel in this search box. EXCEL, Excel. Right? Click on Excel 2013 option. In my laptop, Microsoft Excel 2010. To click on Microsoft Excel 2010 or click on Microsoft Excel 2013 if in your system Microsoft Excel 13 is loaded. Process is the same, right? I repeat once again. I repeat once again. To start Excel, type Excel in the search box. Here is the search box. Type Excel in the search box and click on the Microsoft Excel 2010 option. Right? There is another method to open Start. You can open Start by run command. Type Windows plus R button from the keyboard. Windows and R button with the keyboard. Run dialog box will be opened. In this dialog box, type EXCEL, Excel, and press enter button. This is the interface of Excel, Microsoft Excel. Now, component of Excel windows. On page number 88, component of Excel window. Like other Microsoft Office application, the Excel window has following components: quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, status bar. You can see this is a quick access toolbar. This bar, quick access toolbar. This is a title bar. This is a ribbon. This is a ribbon from here to here. This area is known as ribbon. This is a name box. This is a name box. This is a cell pointer. This is a cell pointer. This is a grid of cell, makes a worksheet. This is a formula bar. This is a column. This is a column, and this is a row. This is a status bar, and this is a range of cell. I repeat once again: quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, name box, formula bar, rows, column, cell pointer. This is a range of cell, status bar. Right? Now open page number 88. Worksheet. What is a worksheet? It is a work area made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns wherein you enter and work with data. Means worksheet is a working area of Excel. You can see on the screen, this is a worksheet and it is a working area of the Excel. Understood? The working area of the working area in Excel is known as worksheet. You can simply say that. A worksheet is a combination of rows, and column. Worksheet is a combination of rows and column. Understood? I repeat once again. Worksheet. What is the worksheet? The working area of Excel is known as worksheet. A worksheet is made up of rows and columns. Right? Now, workbook. Page number 89. Workbook. It is a collection of multiple worksheets stored under a single file name. Workbook is a collection of worksheets in a single file. Look, this is a book 1, right? This is a book 1. It means it is a workbook named book 1. In book 1 there are 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Understood? So what is workbook? Workbook is a collection of worksheet stored under a single file, or you can also say that a worksheet is a combination of a workbook is a combination of worksheets. Understood? Understood the difference between worksheet and workbook? I repeat once again. Worksheet is a working area of the Excel, and workbook is a collection of multiple worksheets. Now, page number 89, third heading, row. ROW, row. It is the arrangement of cell in the horizontal direction. The horizontal column is known as, the horizontal line is known as this is a rows. The horizontal line is known as rows. Each row on a worksheet is identified using a number. Means each and every row are identified with a unique number. See, row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Understood? I repeat once again. Row, the horizontal arrangement, the horizontal line is known as rows. Rows indicated by a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. A single sheet, 1,48,576 rows are available in a single worksheet. How many sheets? Underline this point in your book with a pencil. A worksheet, there are 1,48,576 rows in a single sheet are available in worksheet. Look, see, 1,48,576 rows. Understood? How many rows in a single sheet? 1,48,576. Now, column. It is an arrangement of cell in the vertical direction. The vertical line is known as column. The vertical line is known as column. And column are indicated by alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Understood? Rows are indicated by number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and columns are represented by alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are 16,384 columns in a single worksheet. There are 16,384 columns in a single sheet, and the name of the last column is XFD. You can see on the screen column A, column B, column C. So in this way the name of the last column is XFD. Look, it is the last column, XFD. Understood? So how many rows in a single sheet? 1,48,576. And how many columns in a single sheet? 16,384. And what is the name of last column? XFD. Remember these points, it is important for examination point of view. Okay. Now cell. What is a cell? A cell is the intersection of rows and columns are called cell. The intersection of rows and columns are cell. जहाँ पे this is a column and this is a row, so this is a cell, right? So what is a cell? There are the intersection of rows and columns are known as cell. Understood? Cell is a basic unit of worksheet. Understood? Now, how many cell in a single sheet? You can multiply 1,48,576 rows into 16,384 columns. So you can read one, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10, 17 Arab, 17 crore, 98 lakh, 69,184 cell in a single sheet. 17 Arab, 17 crore, 98 lakh, 69,184 cell in a single sheet. Right? Now, page number 89, cell address. Every cell in a worksheet is identified using an address. Each and every cell is identified by its unique names, unique cell address. For example, the cell address is formed by writing the column letter followed by the row numbers. Cell address, firstly we write column numbers, column name, and then after that row number. You can see this is a the address of this cell is F6, right? You can also see in the name box F6. Address of this cell is M11, F22. So this is the cell address, and it is very important in when you use the formula, then it's play very important role. So R5, address of this cell is Q20, this cell is F13. You can see on the name box also, right? I4. Understood? Cell address is formed by writing column name, after that row number. पहले हम column name mention करेंगे, after that row number mention करेंगे. Now, cell pointer. It is the thick green boundary that surround the active cell. You can see a thick black boundary, a thick black boundary that surround the active cell. You can see this black border is known as cell pointer. This is a cell pointer. Cell pointer. The black border which you have seen on the screen is known as cell pointer. Understood? Now, range of cell. Now, range of cell. It refers to a group of cells adjacent to each other forming a rectangular shape. Means range of cell means group of cell, adjacent group of cell, means series of. This is a cell range. This is a cell range. This is not a cell range. This is not a cell range because it is not adjacent. Cell range is adjacent combination of adjacent cell. This is a cell range from E6 to I17. Understood? Cell range is a collection of adjacent cell. This is a cell range from E5 to S23. Understood? Now formula bar. It is the bar next to the name box that displays the contents of the current cell. The formula bar also contains the enter and the cancel buttons. Now this is a formula bar, right? It shows the content of the cell. If we write anything in the cell, it display on in the formula box. See, हम जो भी सेल में लिखते हैं, जो भी हम सेल में लिखेंगे वो आपका फार्मूला बार में डिस्प्ले होगा, राइट? इट इज़ अ कैंसिल बटन and it is a enter button. Understood? Now types of data. We can enter numbers, date and time, formula and text in a cell. We can enter number, date, text in a cell. So numbers, page number 89, numbers. A worksheet is primarily used for the computation of a numeric data. Means we can use Excel, we can use worksheet for calculating numeric data. Numbers are values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9, including symbols such as plus, minus, divide and decimal point. We can also use characters such as dollar, percentage and comma with number values. All number entries are right aligned. Underline this point. All number entries are right aligned in a cell by default. Some of the example of number values are as follows. It means that basically Excel is used for calculation, and the calculation is work on numeric values. Numeric value means 0 to 9, the number from 0 to 9. Some symbol also, plus, minus, multiply, divide, comma, dollar, percentage. These are the numeric value. By default, when you enter numeric data in a cell, by default it aligns in right direction. See, we can enter data. After that we press, automatically it is right aligned. You can see automatically it is right aligned. Understood? Numbers means 0 to 9, plus, minus, multiply, divide. A special character just like dollar, percentage, comma, decimal. These are the numeric values. And when we enter numeric values in a cell, it is aligned in the right direction. Now, date and time. We can enter date values like this and time like this in a cell on a worksheet. Means we can enter date and time in a cell. The way a date or time is displayed depends on the format applied to the cell on a worksheet. The way the format of date and time are different from cell to cell. It display when we enter date and time in a cell, so it display according to the format which is applied in the particular cell. Means like we enter 1709 20. When we press enter, I write only 20, but you can see the 2020 are written here. So because in this cell this format is applicable. I repeat once again. If we write, you can see 17-9-21, then we write dash and 21, then look, it will be converted in 17, again slash, then we write 9, but here is 09, and we write only 20, but it converted into 2021. Understood? Date and time are displayed according to the format in a cell. आप डेट जिस भी फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे, बट उस सेल में जो भी फॉर्मेट होगा डेट एंड टाइम का, वो उसी फॉर्मेट में आपको डिस्प्ले होगा. 11 right, it's like this. All date and time entries are right aligned in a cell by default. Underline this point. When we enter date and time, it is set in right align. Look, we enter, at the time of entering date, it is left align, but after pressing the enter, by default it is right align. Now, formulas. A formula is a mathematical expression involving numbers, values, operators such as plus, minus, divide and cell address for performing calculation. Worksheet. A formula is a mathematical expression. Underline it. A formula is a mathematical expression involving number values, operators such as plus, minus, divide and cell address for performing calculation. What is the formula? A formula is a mathematical expression which included numeric values, operators and cell address also. The formula evaluates a single value. All formulas begin with an equal to sign. Underline this point. All formula begin with an equal to sign. Means each and every formula begin to equal sign. Firstly, we type equal sign before applying any formula. Look on the screen. I write here 3 and 7, then equal to, click the cell, plus this cell. So this is a formula. This is a formula. Equal to 99 plus 78. So this is a formula. A formula contains numeric values, operators and cell address also, like this. It is contain equal sign, cell address and operators also. Text. Data which is not recognized by Excel as a number, date, time or formula is treated as text data. The data which is not treated by Excel as a numeric data, as a date and time data, as a formula data, then it is treated as a text data. Means ऐसा कोई डेटा जो ना तो नंबर्स हो, ना नंबर हो, ना डेट हो, ना फार्मूला हो, वो हम टेक्स्ट की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं. टेक्स्ट इज एन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेटर्स, नंबर्स, सिंबल्स सच एज space. By default all text entries are left aligned. Underline करिए. All text entries are left aligned in a cell. Means what is the text data? The data which is not recognized by numbers data, date, time, formula. इन 4 के अलावा हम जो भी डेटा इंटर करते हैं वो हमारा टेक्स्ट डेटा के फॉर्म में रिकॉग्नाइज होता है. और टेक्स्ट डेटा एनी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एनी कैरेक्टर्स, एनी लेटर्स, कुछ भी हो सकता है. अंडरस्टूड? By default all text entries are left aligned in a worksheet. By default, if we type any name, then it is a text data, and by default it is a left align. When we enter number, look, when we enter number and after entering the number we press enter, then number is convert in right align. But when we type alphabets, then it is a left align. Understood? Now I hope this is enough for today's class. I hope you understood. watch the video carefully, and if you have any doubt, please drop a message or call me. Okay.